Namaskar, hello and welcome back. Success is equal to extra. Now when I make that statement, right, when I'm just giving you this particular thought, right, and before getting into the details of it, let me share an example. Let me share an experience of my life. When I was into corporate, I used to interview many people, right, many fresher candidates, or I was on some panels also wherein I used to go to institutions for conducting interviews, and I got that opportunity, so I used to ask the students this particular question, or the freshers this question, that how are you different from these candidates who are sitting outside, right? So whenever I asked this question, the answers were very typical answers, right? Like, I'll be giving my 100%, I'm more dedicated, I'm more passionate for my work, I'll be giving anything and everything for this job, and that kind of stuff. And out of the 100 candidates, if I interview, very few, probably one or two or max five people who would say that I would do more than what is expected. Now always, that's my thought that I'm sharing, that success never happens to any of the mediocre people, right, any of the average people, because if you're doing something which is normally expected from an individual, you're not going to be successful ever, right? You can see the history of all the successful people. They have done something more than what is expected, right? They have given that extra factor, right, which has made them successful, right? So if you want to become successful, you cannot give what is expected. If you want to become successful, you have to do something extra, right? If 100 is expected, if you're doing 100, then you're becoming like an average, right? You have to do 101, probably 102, probably 110. If that happens, then you're ensuring that you're going for the success. Why I'm saying that is because everybody is there in this world who is going to deliver what is expected, right? 99% of the people that you may encounter or have an interaction with, if you ask them this question, they'll definitely say that. That's my experience, I'm saying. You may also check it for yourself, but they'll definitely say that they'll do whatever is expected. But that is the level where success doesn't happen. Success happens above that, right? That's 1% extra, or the 5% extra, or 10% extra, that ensures and that gives you the actual success, right? So if you want to become successful, you cannot have a mediocre thought process. You cannot do what all average people are doing. You need to grow beyond that average. You have to go above that average. So if you are going above that average, then you are ensuring, and then you're fixing a thought that yes, you are going to be a successful person, right? So that's the thought which I wanted to share with you all. Hope this has given you a new line of thought. Even if at all it has not given you a new line of thought, at least it might have refreshed the thought that you already had, right? So thank you so much, and hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.